And then after that, and then what we can go ahead and do is you got that with the little blue, and then right here on the top, you go ahead and maybe put some blends of orange right here, fill in some of the white spots on the top of the plane. See, and then maybe fill in some of these spots right here. See, and then fill in some of these spots right here real good with a little bit of orange. Fill in this part right here with the orange. And then right here. And then after that, and then see here, take either yellow or maybe some blue and go ahead and just lightly go over the front part of the plane. Front part of the plane, just like that. A blend of blue, but right in here. For the front part of the plane. See here. Add some blue about right in here and then right in here. And there you are. It's like the Hyperbird coloring.